a behavior of looking for somebody's trouble who doesn't even know that you exist. I don't know where people or how people are deriving joy. I don't know how people are deriving joy in creating stories which I don't even know where they are generating those stories from. I don't understand. It seems like the event that has happened in the past has not really taught our people a very big lesson. It has not really taught our people a very big lesson. I don't know why this 2004, a year of people not minding their business. I don't think no will any year in the history of an Igbo or in Nigeria where people has constantly refused to mind their business. Currently the year 2024. A lot of things happened in the year 2024. Yet, it's not even like we want to learn a lesson from all that has happened. Akoru story number A, Esi from story A, Abai story B, Esi from story B, Abai story C, Esi from story C, Abai story D. Akụkọ niile na-eme na Nigeria, right from mgbe Dangote refinery bidoro ịrụ ọrụ, a na-agba politics niile dị n'enu ka e wee funa frustratory effort to that refinery, both from engagement in NNPC, everything that is been happening in our education system, in our health system, in our road sector, in everywhere, exchange rate, fuel price in Nigeria. A productive youth will refuse to talk about it, but you will constantly stay and manipulate and concoct a story and bring it out. You will sit down and watch people's reaction. I don't know. It really made me to understand that some people are really demon possessed and devil incarnate. Because how can someone constantly sit down and plot the downfall of another man? What will be your joy if your fellow man fail? I keep asking this question. The secret wedding of Evangelist Ebuka Obi, were you there? Were you there? If it is a secret wedding, were you there? Since you know that he did a secret wedding, can you show us the picture or the video of that wedding? Can you tell us the family of the wife? Can you tell us the town or the state where the wife comes from? I am asking you a question. If it is a secret wedding and you are bringing it to Facebook, but you are not giving us the details, I am asking you, my people, when are we going to learn a lesson? When are we going to learn a lesson? When are we going to learn a lesson? Then they took it to na Evangelist Ebuka Obi na brother Shinwike na Esoku na ha na anu ogo na eme kiti. I don't know what your business is, for God's sake, in the family of Obi. I don't know what your business is. I don't know what your business is. In a ministry you are not a member of. You are a member and you are a citizen, a bona fide citizen of Nigeria. You have refused to talk about what is happening in Nigeria. But you have chosen to get yourself occupied and busy with what is happening in Zion ministry, which you are not part of. You are not a member of Zion. You have never been a Zionite. You have never even set your foot into Zion. What is your business in the activities and operations of the Zion? Does it mean that you love these people more than your immediate family? Does it mean that you love these people more than your immediate family? Are you people not even, when are you people going to start being ashamed of yourself? I'm asking you, when will you people ever look yourself in the face and say, I think this thing I am doing is so shameful and disgraceful? Unu sit here down. Unu ana plan also story. Unu mwerike ko about somebody. Ko ya unu bupute. Ebuka Obi on ejeme secret wedding. Ochiri father. I am asking you, Evangelist Ebuka Obi on ejeme secret wedding. Ochiri father. onwe da n'ebe ọ gwara na ọ ya anụ nwaanyị ife ọ gwara n'ofu nwaanyị ọ ya anụ na ọ ya anụ. Has it ever been anywhere ọ gwara na ọnụgo nwaanyị? I mean na ọ ya anụ nwaanyị. Ọ gwara na an ordained reverend father that ọ chọzi ịnụ nwaanyị, he cannot make it open. Ọ na-ejezi eme secret wedding ka nna ajụ. You see, and sometimes I drop what this rumor. Some people will begin to argue. Some people will begin to spread these rumors as if they don't have thinking faculty. Why? You will first of all ask yourself, Kerive Patara Evangelist Ebuka Obi a secret wedding? On a secret marriage? Is he an ordained priest? If he chooses to marry openly, who is he going to be answerable to? Is he going to be answerable to any bishop? Is he going to be answerable to any pope? Is he going to be answerable to any institution in Nigeria? If he chooses, okay, today I want to marry Sister Shioma. Has he even at any time said that he is not going to get married? He has never said that. So, can you tell me why Oyeji secret marriage? I am asking you. If you ask yourself this question, then you can imagine why these people have so much time. Metoma can like button. If you haven't shared this video, I want you to share this video. I have told you people that now, okay, no longer was a report video. They are doing it to my page. I know the moment I saw more than 2,000 Ndosha followed me within 1 day or 2 days. I saw them follow me within 1 day or 2 days. That was when I know that Nafal won't know on my page. But don't worry, I will smoke all of them out very soon. If you feel you have a message, pass your message. Allow me to pass my own message. I have never connived with anybody to go and report anybody's page. So leave my own page and go to your own platform. Leave my own page and go to your own platform. Because the day I will decide to follow you people for what you do, I can spend any amount of money to make sure I get back to you the way you think you are doing. You think you are smart. Yeah? You think you are smart. Yeah? You know that where you make money is from your page. You know that where you make money is from the money Facebook pays you. Yet, you are coming to my own page that Facebook doesn't pay me money on to come and play joke or this. Do you think if I decide to play by your own game that you will not go hungry? You think if I decide to play the game you are playing, you think you think that you can finance it more than me? You think you can finance it more than me? You people should be very careful. You should be very careful. You should be very careful. Meshonana ondo kandoka why no biojo webono no kodine. Iye ku oku mana nwanne ga yeku. Iku nwanne ga ya asa. Iku nwanne usa. Owuru problem. E showuzi yesi we short nwanne up ko ga iku oku. Imagine owuru no onye Igbo nwe this Facebook app. Imagine what if enwere ike ide me no owuru no onye Igbo nwe this Facebook app. Let me go back to what I was saying. Click on like and love. Share this video. Click on like and love and make sure you share this video. Yeah? Share this video. Now, if Evangelist Ebuka Obi even decide to do a secret marriage, are you a member of his family? Are you a member of his family? I am asking you. Are you a member of his family? Or all anything? Is his marriage supposed to be a national event? I am asking you. This is the platform Eben Nano Ogona. I planned my marriage. I planned my wedding. I had my wedding. I did everything without you knowing until the day I brought the picture and photos to the Facebook. That was when you knew that I've gotten married. So is his marriage supposed to be a national event that the whole Nigeria must stand still because Evangelist Ebuka Obi is going to get married? Does he owe you anything? I don't know how this has even become an issue, even if he got married. Are you a member of Obi's family? Yes. It can only be a crime in Igbo land. No Bruno Genuine without Omunaye. Iwonyo Munaye. Iwonyo Munaye. Iwonye Bobi. What explanation does he owe you? Even if he decides to go and marry on a low-key, is it your business? Is Ebuka Obi your politician that is supposed to be answerable to you on how they spend your money, on how they do? Is Ebuka Obi a politician that is supposed to be answerable to you? I am asking you a question. When are you people ever going to get tired? Why are you going to be poking your eyes and your nose into somebody else's business? It is not your business. There is no concern with you. If Ebuka Obi is having quarrel or problem with his twin brother, is he your twin brother? Are you Onyo Munafa? Ibonye family fa? Are you the son of Mr. Obi? What is your business? So, I've been a family who today, I've been your own family today. Yeah? You know, at peace with all the members of your family. So, let us even assume that of a truth, now Ebuka Obi, there will misunderstanding with Ejime. Is it your business? Is it for you to come and make peace between them? I want to know what your concern is, because sometimes when you put even more meaning, not Korea Castle, not Bagari, or not Korea Castle, not Bagari. Yeah? And put another story. Why no put in a church here? Why no put in a ministry here? Very happy be your back. Now, I shop you bought bank also. When are you people ever going to get tired? I am asking you. Let me tell you people. Ijele is about to spend his Christmas na prison. Ifo John Wekute. Speed Darlington is about to spend his Christmas na prison because of Ifo John Wekute. Speed Darlington is about to enjoy his Christmas holiday na prison because of Ifo John Wekute lo onweye. Ijele is about to spend his Christmas holiday na prison because of Ifo John Wekute. Ngonwa kube, wonu kube, neka Nigeria suwega kowisi. You don't have time to come and talk about national issues. You are busy talking about Zion ministry issues. Ide Joker, you are no more a Christian. Are you not supposed to be so much interested in the activities of the new congregation you have joined? Why are you always bent on Zion this, Zion that, Zion this, Zion that, Zion this, Zion that? Are you a Zionite? I am asking you. Tell me your business and your headache with Zion ministry. I want to know today. Tell me your business and your headache with Zion ministry, that even internal family affair of Evangelist Ebuka Obi has become a national issue. Personal lifestyle of Evangelist Ebuka Obi has become a national issue. Even the mother of Evangelist Ebuka Obi has become a national issue. You just want to make it to look like a headline. And so what? Okay, all the people who go to Zion, they have heard you and they have told you to your face, no, Zion will buy here. Are you not ashamed now? How do you feel? How do you feel that that you are wasting your time? How do you feel? I want to know how you feel. Ibu block nanya na choni ye wopu otu mpekele aja de nanya. Ibu block nanya na choni ye wopu otu mpekele aja de nanya. Palara moknus ye megide ifo na eme obosi aka ya haparo ye unebebe. That is where I have problem with our people. You cannot advise people properly when they are misbehaving. You are waiting until action is being taken against Onya. malụkwo na amalụ na a lot of people na Nigeria dewela ahụ na okwu ha ekwu okwu hand atọch gofa Speed Darlington ka abịa ma arrest ojecha apụta erizie ye ọpụtakwa ile gbawakwa. I made the video to that effect. A lot of people cover m ọnụ ndị niile ahụ kọrọ m ọnụ mgbe m mekiri video na ife Speed Darlington kwuru adọrọ mma because agbara m ọnụ na ife na-eme na Nigeria tata awụ eburu ozu onye ọzọ dụka ebu ukwu nkwụ eburu ozu onye ọzọ ọ dụka ebu ukwu nkwụ until na-eburu nke gị, then that is the only time you feel the pain another person may feel. Biko metro maka na like and love button. Na-eme program on eju na my program na report my program. Report one of my program. You want to go? Report one of my program. Also when you want mmadụ 500 or mmadụ 1000 no even na-ekwu. It doesn't matter. At least people have heard me. You want to go? Na report me ka ọ ghara ịga aga ka ọ ghara ịkpụ akpụ ọ ya akpụ akpụ ọ na-esi etu akwede. Share this video na ọ bụrụ share about this video. Share this video na ọ bụrụ share about this video. I made a video cautioning Speed Darlington instead of our people to help and tell Speed Darlington, brother, you are running too fast. Brother, what you are doing is not good. They came out to come and defend. Civil offense that it is not supposed to be. He is not supposed to be detained. None of them within the time. None of them within all this time. What at time? Caution us Speed Darlington when the formula drama. And that is the challenge we are having in Nigeria today. In all those time. Any of them make a promo, but Speed Darlington, no drama. Just like none of them ever told Ijele, no drama. None of them will even tell Palaram Mock News, no drama. But Oboso Nakaya Palaram Mock News. You will see all of them come out to come and play emotional game. An emotional game. Ikwetalo na Palaram Mock News wo a civil matter. In fact, he wasn't even supposed to be arrested at all. Equator Speed Darlington, not a civil matter call that he wasn't even supposed to be arrested at all. Equator Nigeria, not a civil matter that he wasn't even supposed to be arrested, that he was supposed to be invited and questioned. Then only Merifa, they can now go to court. But it is the same you that is sitting down telling Ogechi to come back to Nigeria so that he can arrest Yaya because he committed the same thing Ijele committed, he committed the same thing Speed Darlington committed, he committed the same thing. Have you seen? What I give you? The same thing even Palaram Mock News committed. That was what, according to you, Ogechi committed. But each of the Ogechi because he exercised his own right the same way Speed Darlington and the Jelly she were exercising. Have you seen? I keep telling you people about selective judgment. Selective judgment will not go anywhere. Monopoly over violence. Nobody has monopoly over anything. What is good for the goose is good for the gander. Yes, there is no two ways about it. The right thing to do is, in as much as you are trying to tell the police that they are not supposed to be, they are not supposed to do this or they are not supposed to do that. It is also right thing for you to do that. Speed Darlington, that what you did, the very wrong. Yes. Owuru na mweru nwere ife ọjọọ omelu. Mmadu wetibe ife, wetife ife oke. Where you are also trying to tell onya no overreact. It is right thing to do. Na igwakwa imekwara ka nwata ahụ malụ na ife omela adọrọ mma. Because if focus na onye tiri nwata ife tifere ife oke. Why ye jide ife nwata believe na ife ahụ omere odumma. Nwata ahụ ye megido that thing until no je mee ebe ya wo mee ye onye jizi isi wee pụta. Or carry hate to her. I don't know where our discipline and our sense of decency has gone. I don't know where our sense of responsibility has gone. We have started behaving in such an irresponsible way, in such an irresponsible manner. There is no rule, there is no policy, there is no principle anymore. Because you don't like this and I love this. Because you hate this and I love it. Because I hate this and you love this. That is where we have lost our values as in the Igbo. That is where we have lost our values as in the Igbo. Let me notify you that is making yourself an scapegoat. Let me notify you that want to entertain others. You want to play the dancing so that people can clap for you. Anytime you are doing that and you fail to remember that Ijele has been forgotten, let me tell you, we can go now 3 months without anybody talking about Ijele. What does it show you? Even if Ijele die in detention today, nobody will know. Even if Ijele die in detention today, nobody, in fact, as we speak now, you don't even know if he's still alive or not. Yes, you don't even know if he is still alive or not. So all those people who are saying, do this, do that, do this, do that, do this, do that, where are they? They have faced their families. They are about to go and enjoy their Christmas. The detention of Ijele by the other church. And now let me tell you, because when I keep telling you people that I understand the game, they are playing perfectly well. I have said this before and I'm repeating it again. We know that no we know that no people no it's that nature is the joker. It is allowed. It is not by force. Nobody is even forcing you. In fact, the church is here na like members. Every church will buy oche Canada occupied. Eba ka Ugo America na UK na ebonu na church is na do this county. No. Nigeria church can do. In fact, you must go to church early for you to find a seat. Otherwise, the money you don't overflow. Yes, that is why my dad na sembat every morning 5 o'clock up go church. Go when no boy had done. No of man no go carry no overflow. Because all the time we are bia and no overflow. So nobody is forcing you to come to church. You are free to go to wherever you want to go. You are free to do whatever thing you want to do. Nobody said you should not criticize Christians. Nobody said you should not criticize Jesus Christ. But what we are saying is why you are doing that. Malum way cross a boundary. Now to show you that the people in Ifa are doing a calculative job, but they are collecting the payment immediately. Because no kedi go jene inu aparice. Water gido rice afoko your one aparice $1 border. I have said it before. When Ijele was arrested, they were ranting everywhere. There was noise everywhere. Nobody cares to know what this young man has done. That young man said imaginable things and worse things than Ogeshi. Why I said Nifu Kulu do worse than Nifu Ogeshi Kulu is because he even went out of his way to start threatening lives. He even threatened the entire police force. And people were clapping for him. People were clapping for him. But the same people all came back to talk down on Ogeshi. I am not justifying what anybody said here. I am talking about the act. And for you to tell me why you have to support this act when it was A that did it and they condemn it, no one will be made. That is why in Juena, they condemn if I don't we condemn if I don't mind. He condemn if I don't we condemn if I don't if he burn is the cash. All nation can go police station, ebe detained speed Darlington. I can get that information for you 30 minutes after I'm ending this broadcast. I think you should go there because this comment here, speed Darlington, I mean, Bonaboy, I don't know. You got that? I end this broadcast. Within 30 minutes, in you end this broadcast. I can get you the exact police station where Speed Darlington is. You can go there and talk to the officers. You can go and I can direct you on how you can reach to Speed to Burna Boy. You see, does he calling them forces to reckon with? When you know that you are not ready to go down the process with them, you don't want to walk down the same process with them. There is no different case here. There is what we call criminal defamation. Go and get a lawyer. Go and get a lawyer. Land you in a prison yard or in the name of name and law. Go and get a lawyer. At every given time, seek the advice and the legal counsel of your lawyer. Seek the wise counsel of your lawyer. If you na so be mado imported, una na ekwu no na right ono because na agbago na defamation wo civil emono na enwere ife na criminal defamation. I argued with someone on the program I did. It want to na Nigeria. Wo a crime carry 14 years. Then you came out openly. That, by the way, they now support to Speed Darlington. Then I want you people to even tell me what is the crime difference between what Speed Darlington said and what Ogechi said. I want you to tell me. Yes. Can you tell me what is the difference between what Speed Darlington said and what Ogechi said? The difference or lie in people who those things were said against. I made a video and I told you people, let us forget about sentiment and whatever. That what Speed Darlington said, no drama. Ono say no. That ono chowa ko ono bring their logic into it. Ono chowa ko ono bring their logic into it. Now, you were trying to justify Speed Darlington. Boom. Ogechi, you now came out to come and condemn Ogechi for the same crime he exonerated Speed Darlington from. If you want us to continue like this, it is better. Now let me say something again. When Ijele was arrested, and Zion, Zion this, Zion that, Ebuka Obi, Accusations. Hey, the moment he came see Ijele, Sinaka Zion poor, Banaka church that Hezekiah. Ebeni ne nyoko oko mwe na aju arrest osigo na arrest bani for so if Ijele na noketa or do different from nkono before Ijele on a 5-star hotel ke edebere now. I am asking because I don't know why they were all quiet. Is it because na case ya esigo na aka is the most hated pastor or Banaka another person? Does it mean that no a Christian organization hold the jail now? I am asking you. Onde na wisi na ko wunde na kunsi ko wunde de man another thing. Is it no more a church wunde jijere? Why have they decided to forget about the jail as if that young man doesn't exist? Is it because it is no more Zion? So because it is no more Zion, you have hands off? I am asking you. Now let me tell you another thing so that we will know. Kai wolunwayo anam he akwom media na akwom media. A lot of people na amuyoko. A lot of people na amuyoko. Similar something mepa tomorrow. Or onye nwe ko si wedo they involved just like in Ogechi. You know what they are that say? Ezugo come and say something. Ezugo come and say something. Ngoma feel ne wo machancha continue saying it. Because na akwa fan okeke kwa fan esen na fan ahụ ọkụwaro n'ọdụ mma okafọ kwa fan esen na fan ahụ ọkụwaro n'ọdụ mma because na okafọ na okeke wu onye nke yo echi niile okonkwo mụ na edo na mma kwa fan isi m Ezugo come and talk. What do you want me to come and say? I agree go na your own stand na kwa fan ọdụ mma. So Kerife, do you have problem with me concurring with you n'ifi kwuru? That is it. Yes. Onye akpọrọ onye ohi epụta sị na not right na agwa na onye ohi ọkpọrọ onye adọrọ mma isi not right because no onye nke onye nke wepụtakwa echi kpọkwa mmadụ onye ohi nsịkwa na ife onye a na-ekwu adụrụkwa mma isi m n'ọdụ mma oruzie nwanne echi onye nke m kpọọ mmadụ onye ohi ịpụtazie ka esi m ezugo gobịa kwuo okwu kedu ife ị chọrọ ka m bịa kwuo ọkwawu kwuru na ịkpọ mmadụ onye ohi dị mma agrigo m ịkpọ mmadụ onye ohi ọmaka ọmara mma ịkpọ mmadụ onye ohi mawuru onwe na mma. Now that news was broke that morning, that afternoon, that Ken, Palace of Justice, was arrested. Immediately, J-Park switched in. We say, no ndoka arrested. The moment we mention no ndoka, a lot of people beaten with their backlash and agree. When they later decided to close that dirty job, they now started saying that no, chase them away, arrest Ken. I did not hear any of them condemn, chase them away. I did not hear any of them, Abraham, I go chase them away. Now I ask myself, so when somebody is being arrested in Nigeria now, before you condemn that arrest, it must be from a pastor, or it must be from a member of a church, a notable member of a church, before you can now condemn the arrest. Is Sharia this way? This is an intelligent observation. So does it mean that no nyuka ki jele mejolo ka kenu mejolo no nya he enweho right to go and seek redress from the police, but chase them away with right to do so? I did not hear anybody insult him. I did not hear anybody call him them. They only did that when it was reported that no ndoka. Asikununu no Kenya amaghị egwu ana. Warụ ana kodo. Ndị ba yi kwuru okwu sị na okenye amaghị egwu ana. Warụ ana kodo. So until a pastor or a notable member of the church, a non-member of the church arrest a mother, that is the only time an arrest an abomination. But onye ọzọ arrest a mother, arrest ya hado legit. Because I am yet to understand why nobody condemned, chased them away for arresting. In fact, it was very easy for them to use chase them away, because they know that their people cannot criticize or condemn, chase them away. They know that their people cannot criticize or condemn. But imagine if no accusation arrest Ken, Palace of Justice. Up till today, arresting Komelu Mataya say we shall go. Arrest Emery Jele, we shall go. Chase them away. Arrest Ken. Let us even assume that no Nyamere arrest here. They buried it like it is no more an arrest. Like all the time Hano Neku. Na Ken Otalafu na Senegal. No na Ser na Senegal. Na this guy has so much afufu. This guy ayogo mbagalo. Can even pata na ya bagalia. Can only je arrest him. Only out very wicked. The moment Owuzi chase them away, arrested Ken. That wickedness in na. That insensitivity had accused him down. Now, Afufuni na Ken Otaro na Senegal disappear overnight. I want you to pay attention when these guys are acting. Pay attention. Gente. Listen to watch closely their body language. It is written all over their actions, their intentions. Yes. So, obono na ngonwa kadono ignorantly kana claim na ye mari ife na-eme emane na agha agho onye ka njisego na okenye siri na ọma ha egwu ana waru okodo. Okenye siri na ọma ha egwu ana waru okodo. Ofu ebe o yegwu ana ogbuo. Ofu ebe o chohi egwu ana o yegwu. Ebe ahụ o yegwu ana o justify ya reason o ji egwu ana ebe ahụ. Ebe o yegwu ana o sịrị na enwe ho need aye ji egwu ana here. Okenye serego na ọma ha egwu ana wezbota ha ọkọdụ. I know those games. But I am telling you today that those games and those silly games that you adults and you elders and you people feel they play in Igbo, the end will not be good. The end will not be good. The end will not be good. Because with your selfish interest, at the end of the day, it will be done on us. It will be done on all of us. Did you hear how everything about Ken's arrest just went quiet? Simply because it was, according to them, chased them away that arrested Ken. So, it is right for chase them away to arrest Ken. Then, according to J-Park and Amdotwe, they went and begged him. They went and begged him. Away forgive Ken. We soluha, we Jena station, away bell Ken. So, it is right. So, all Accusations are eventually, all Accusations arrest Ken. So, nobody wants to know whether no way is no way arrest here. People will start crucifying him immediately. Is that what it means? But people will not chase them away. All of you suddenly understood that Ken majority. You people even raised the issue of Ken apologizing to boss lady. Have you seen? So these people, when they are being offended, they have the right to react. But all Accusations, Meluke and arrest, there will never be any justification for Accusations to arrest Ken. And nobody will be willing to appeal to him to please release Ken. I want you people to stop all these things. It will not help us and it will not take us to anywhere. It will not help us and it will not take us to anywhere. That that it is very sad. It is very sad. And it is very regrettable. It is very sad. And it is very regrettable. Ebuputa umuha srinka aye ebuputa una agbagara ya agbaga. Ifo unu ekwuru maka Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Oyi ekwetarịrị ya. Onwere onye forced Ebuka. I want to know what the bone of contention is now on Facebook. I have never seen anybody forcing you that you must be a churchgoer, that you must be a Christian. Face your lane. Allow those people to face their own. They just finished an audition program. Nobody forced you to come there. Nobody forced you to come there. It is a thing of choice. So why have you taken it upon yourself to be drinking paracetamol? No, we see now also. I have told you people, a crime. Go and start that campaign from your immediate family. Why I said your immediate family is because na nnewu nolondo nnewu na ejoka. Nnawu nolondo nnawu na ejoka. Nnewu hachari na ejoka. In fact, all go with the breadwinner of your family. In a nnewu na nna ego haji atoto class. So I want to know where all this nonsense is coming from. What is the business you have with me? Am I your brother? Am I your sister? Monago, or any relation? Are we even friends? Why do you love me so much that the ignorance you allowed your father and your mother and your sisters to be eating like food, that you so much love me, Ezugo, that you don't want me to partake from it? I am asking you, if you love me so much that you want to liberate me from Ifendo Katilaine, but you are not brave enough to liberate your immediate family from that same bondage, is it not shame? Is it not shameful? Is it not shameful? 25th December, Keta. In fact, Christmas, Keta. pụta kịta agba ndị spanda ngụnwa onye omenala bụzọ eziokwu nọ na spanda ngụnwa onye omenala bụzọ eziokwu nọ na main market ngụnwa onye sịrị na ịhọdụ onye omenala bụzọ eziokwu na ihe onye ụka na onwe ife kọnsaịn ụgụ na market jee na ogbo ete Enugu gwa fact that they can never close this market. Jee na trade fair onwe one guy mụ na mere serious argument na bi onye Oraifite. I want you to go to Kelafa President Aspanda, Kelafa this new president or this current president of Asamba, Ngozi Emeshebe. I want you to go to Ngozi Emeshebe. Ngozi Emeshebe on no account to anybody Emechi Afia that need a joker. So you cannot celebrate Jesus' birthday. Go there and tell them those are the places for you to start fighting from. The holiday is go. In fact, in Kenda Hausa, ihe beda alakuba. Manogo na ha yeme nke ha na-eme. Ya no nu ya na holiday. Ụmụ ga ye school. Ihe respect ya. Nke ayi erukwa na again. Afia yemechikwa ida na Tuesday na trade fair. Ịnọrọkwa n'ụlọ ya dị Jafia. Those are the places you should start fighting from. Start from your family. Start from your in-laws. By your father and your mother. Now for as long as family joker. Go. Because if you can be wishing the family of Evangelist Ebuka Obi evil, because you are the joker. If you can be wishing my family and me evil, because none the joker. But when you sit down, you pray for your father and your mother. Boo, CWO, Nisi. Bulu, charismatic, you can go to Nisi. Bulu everything no no for the name one day one bu efak Nisi. Yet, go na somewhere na school. You have not hated her. You have never wished her to buy. You have never wished your family to buy. Yet, her book Nisi. 31st night, almost everybody known as your family is Joe Kabane. You have never stopped any of them from Joe Kabane. But you want to convert me, turn me as you go into your enemy because I chose to be doing the same thing. Your family decided to fire them. Can we all take this battle to our family? I don't need to fight much in my family because the whole of my family. So what it shows is that I conquered my family even before the fight started. Take the battle to your family. Let it be operation liberate your family from bondage of Ndosha. I will also be in this Facebook to stand the just like I am happy that Bona Boy Ablonye pastor, but I came out. As if now for silly. I came out and I said what I said. No. That's been done in so, but you simply hated her because of her affiliation. Anybody do affiliated to any religious organization, you have declared that person your enemy. And I keep talking about it. This spirit whereby hurtful. Let us not use this spirit whereby hurtful. Anabetie kampu. Nebe akwa. Onye ona respect you onwe ye. Onye ona kwa ile onwe you bu. Respect they say is reciprocal. Respect people. Respect people. Anything you put like a man of God, bam, ibulie. Anything you put like a man of God, ibulie. Sweet Darlington doesn't have good home training. No, they don't know. This is when they have just realized it. Somebody mamaro no my wisdom man. Because from interaction my iya man my wisdom man. But the guy here will manner. The guy here will home training. Forget about entertainment, whatever I want to do. That guy here will one single home training. Omega pon anyhow, or now run on your catap anyhow. If a son you or how, or na to You put your money where your mouth is. Yes. Na nwoke ha abụrụ so n'ọnụ. Ọ daa n'ife odogwu imebi ife odogwu. Ọ daa n'ike aka ịnụwa ike aka. Ọ daa n'okwu ọnụ ikwuwe n'okwu ọnụ. Ọhọso ọ daa n'okwu ọnụ ikwuchakọrọ ife niile. Olu on action ịchọbazie ndị ya bịa nụrụ. Ọmụ dịrị gị ji ekwu ife ikwuru. Ọmụ dịrị gị ji ekwu ife ikwuru. Ọbụla mụ dịrị gị, I did not send you. I did not send you. It wasn't me who sent you. Ijekwu ife ikwuru. So ọ daa n'omume imewe n'ọdịke ka ewu. Ọhọsọ dike n'ọnụ. Ihe ada aza dike n'ọnụ. O were ekwurekwu ka ihe eji na-ekwuchakọrọ ife niile. One single action inweo. One single action inweo. Look at how they are peddling that an evangelist Ebuka Obi jeme secret marriage. Let us assume that Evangelist Ebuka Obi jeme secret marriage. Is it your business? Are you his father? Are you his mother? Are you a member of his family? Iwonyo monaye. Omelalo. Kanjukene ga ajuju. Evangelist Ebuka Obi as onye Igbo decide ya ijewe a secret marriage. Omelalo. Kanjo omelalo. Etu akosi we chime nkeye na owuloli no meri eme. Etu akosi we decide ime nke no cho ime ko dola okwasa howo. It's none of your business. And for as long as no that bohiwu, according to any church, according to any even the law of nation, or that he will. So, what is your headache? Okay, according to how you people alleged, it has now become your concern because you are a peacemaker. Because now your family, now the whole member of your family, gonna father na for the name of gonna fancy. What is the yet in a family on Evangelist Ebuka Obi and his family has suddenly become a national issue. That when people sit now, they talk about Zion, they talk about Ebuka Obi, they talk about his family, they even talk about his mother. That is how jobless people has become in Nigeria. That is how free people are now in Nigeria. That when you sit down, you talk about issue that has nothing to do with our national growth. It has nothing to do with our existence. It has nothing to do with you personal. Those are the things you choose to be talking about. Okay, now that you have realized that known to you, that there is nothing you can say or do about Evangelist Ebuka Obi that will ever make them to stop going to Zion. When are you going to mind your business? When are you going to mind your business? Metromaka na like and love button. I want to share about this program. I want you to share this program. Metromaka na like and love button. Obruni share about this program. I want you to share this program. Yeah? Enough is enough. Bala bala fukwa no ko wala. Bala bala fuoke. Owulala. Bala bala fuoko owulala. Otutu efi abani Zion this, Zion that. Zion this, Zion that. Nde nari agwa anari ejesiri onwe ha ike na-emere onwe ha ife ha na-emere onwe ha. Ngonwa anọrọ na-alụ spectator. Ị na-alụ every day. What is the essence of going to a Odechi program when this one this? What is the essence of a woman going to church to go and pray for a husband? When are you people ever going to have time to talk about this your culture that is fading away gradually? Are you not aware that this same culture and tradition, which I know it is not what you are protecting, but your selfish interest, but let us assume that that is what you are fighting for. Are you not seeing that that culture and tradition is fading away? Are you not seeing that it is fading away? I saw the invitation card Timothy of Ewu Abi posted in a platform here. If I were a traditional marriage only Igbo na Abuja, every invitation here boldly invite you out to Abuja for a traditional marriage. Are you not worried about that? Instead of talk about the cause. When are you going to ever talk about the cause of why that traditional marriage was moved to Abuja? You don't care. because you just want to be talking for talking's sake. Una aga fusioku, ane okwudunni, una ane fusioku. When are you actually going to talk about an Igbo proper? When are you going to talk about an Igbo proper? When are you going to talk about Igbo? When are you going to talk about the culture and tradition? Okwase na azota chana, we so ute, ezota buhama, ije na azute. Owe megide ife shupuzie ndoka, which is ute ina azo. Kela na ebe ye je toye, which is omenala bai na Igbo bai. I am asking you. Imegide ife n'ụwa wee zọta ute anyị na azọ. Question na ajụwo kela na ebe ye je tuta. Ife na adrozi iburuzi ute ahụ n'isi bagharịwa ebe niile. When are you going to talk about this culture you are talking about? It is fading away. I keep saying it. Traditional rulers now ndị Igwe na anọzi Lagos n'ụlọ obodo Igbo were achị obodo fa. Igwe na-eme travel. Igwe na-ahapụ community ebiri na mba. I am asking you, if that nebe governor of Anambra State be Ekiti State, see Ekiti State, na abia Anambra. If that I'm asking you a question. If that ọ na-eme na Igbo today, ibe na Christmas soro ha na, ana January soro ha na, ana eji akwamozu soro ha je, anaba akwamozu soro ha na, and yet Igwe ka ọwụ. You are not bothered that very identity eji wee mara ndị Igbo is fading away. Look at traditional marriage. Tata. Ana agba nkwụ na Lagos. Ana agba nkwụ na Abuja. Ana eme a lot of things. Yes. I remember when I wanted to do something for even my wife. I told my in-law, name will insecurity. That how can I gather people from Nnewi, Pokosere ha, Webiawa, Enugu State. Name will insecurity. Ogo nwoke na-ejekwa ụka. Ogo nwoke ejirokwu SU egwu Scripture Union. Ogo nwoke na-ejekwa ụka. Na-ejesi ụka ike. Ejirokwu ụka egwu. Nwesie, Daddy, ka anyị bịa na Nnewi, bịa mee ego na Nnewi. I mean introduction. Anyị mee ego na Nnewi. Onwezie ife mma akpọrọ 1 or 2, 3 people bịazie Enugu State bịa present ya. Ka m bịa present ya. O wee sị m, no ya nọ na mba wee ke nwa ya di dam ya ọwụ na mplanụrụ ịkpọ mmadụ 100 bịa nwoke otu wee daa mkpụrụ mmadụ 10 bịa na ife dị important wụ ka emezu ife ha supposed ime, and that was what we did. Ọkwa onye a na-akpọ n'ndụ ụka ka ọwụ. Ọkwa onye a na-akpọ n'ndụ ụka. Yes, for you to know the level of ụka ndị ọgọ m na-eje, aṅụrụ alcohol ụbọchị njere Enugu ọ na wedding mụ ka aṅụrụ alcohol. Because he clearly told me na traditional marriage ube ka na abia mana wedding we first from women and nyanwa ya bịarụ wedding abịarụ, and that was what we did. For you to know na onye kwuru ife na aṅụ ha alcohol ụbọchị abịarụ be, for you to know otu ka onye ahụ na-eje. But he clearly told me na ọ ya anala ego isi nwe nwaanyị na mba na ọ dịrọ possible that we must come to Enugu. That culture is fading away. Onye neneta ahụ ọ nara ego isi nwe na Lagos, nara ego isi nwe na Abuja, eme traditional marriage na n'obodo oyiwo. You are not worried about that. You are worried about Evangelist Ebuka Obi na mwe ya na ejima Ushibike. Go na your way ejima on our triplet. A water triplet with them. I am asking you. A water triplet with them. You are willing to connive with anybody provided all we image Ebuka Obi and in the Zion Kana slander. You are willing to team up with even the devil himself. Kelo bosunu ye melo mu na ebele. Ani Igbo na emebisi. Ani Igbo na emebisi. Iya kelo ki ye si ekwu okwu emenu video bosia about school onye bayilo na Lagos. He say no megeri ko megeri. Why no blue school bunata na Ani Igbo bia lo. Kunu buoye ka isholo. When you have abandoned the real issues bothering our people at home, and you are beating around the bush, but you want people to risk their life, to risk their investment, and carry a multi-million naira project, they abandon where they can barely visit. The other day, a hotel owner and 3 other people, if not because no hotel na Igbo, The fact is that some of these people who were investment in an Igbo self, some of them are living outside an Igbo. So it is that investment that we keep bringing them back home. You abandon what we should be talking about in your business. If you don't want to go to Zion, you may not go to Zion until you know Zion is Lagos. If you don't want to go to Zion, you may not, nothing may even take you to Ngobala. So what is your headache? What is your headache? You said you are the ambassador of culture and Ifa. When do you have time to discuss about truly that culture? If you follow na Igbo kita nwanyi ba mmon. If you follow na Igbo tata nwanyi ba mmon. Anazezazo okwa na amuezamu. Almost 60% of communities enwe na Igbo ta. Autonomous community enwe na Igbo ta. Anazezazo na. Mana agụrụ ya n'egwu anazezazo. In fact, amụọ na Igbo mmanụ na-ada azezazo. Ọ na-etisasị ya n'Igbo taa. Majority of those people zore zahazo. Majority of those people zore zahazo. Wee zọta aside ndị siri ike na ndị kala aka n'imefa. Mmadụ na n'imefa na ogologo ndụ. I am asking you. Na igwe kene eto orizu aha one ka ezu okpoko n'ọba dowenwu Obi of Onitsha. Ọ da aha one bagharịa n'ụmụ obodo niile a igwe ha ka do hereditary. Ebe a ka ya nọ fu ebe igwe do 80 something years. Fu ebe igwe do 90 something years. Fu ebe igwe do 100 and something years. I am asking you, since a lot of obodo ji wee zọba eze azọba, o nwere obodo nke mmadụ around Nnewi within a period of how many years ha enwezo n'igwe ịtọ. Are these not the things you should be talking about? Our real identity as ndị Igbo is fading away. In order to actually Zion this, Zion that, Zion this, Zion that. In way time, you have a panara mock news on your Delta State, not even Delta Igbo, on Europe also. Or collide unity against your own brother. That is something I don't understand. Even the Igbo no. That is something I don't understand. Where Igbos are. Onye Europe ka onye ebe onye Bini ka ogono si Bini be ha be na Igbo eba bia kpokosia isi ọnụ against your own brother. Ekolonenu ọkwụnụ kwue na alụ Evangelist Ebuka Obi je no nwanyi. So ọrụzie na ọ chọrọ ịnụ nwanyi, decide there to make it a secret marriage. How is it your business? The most important thing what nwanyi ọnụ na ife a nya fulfill your traditional right n'isi. God bless you that union with nwa. That's clear. What is your business? Is it supposed to be a topic to discuss? Onwerozi ife ọzọ fọrọ anyị ekwu. Esem na nya na-ejima na-eso okwu. Hello? Yeah, good afternoon. Mbao. Chineke ma on live program kita o. Okay. O no nwere ozi okwu da anyị ekwu. Okwu anyị ekwu ọgwụgo nchancha. Na okwu anyị ekwu nnọọ agwụgo n'ọzọ ịkọwa. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, secret marriage. Francis Atonzeribe n'Ukwuta. As of the time o nwere obere nwaanyị ya ọnụlụ mmanụ izbụta maka do young. Ịma mgbe ọ nụrụ nwaanyị ya. Ịma mgbe o je know that woman iso wee je ịnụrụ ya anụ na ntị. Does that change that no obere nwaanyị ya dị fa? I am asking you. In fact, how many of our prominent men on an Igbo general not even second, third, or fourth wife? No makaye. How many general not even second or third wife? No le makayano. Okwori obosi aya da agusiru nde nwunye agoro ụmụ nwaanyị no or ụmụ nwaanyị ise. Onwere nke ma mgbo je no. I am asking you. Onwere nke ma mgbo je no. Ụmụ ile asịrị. Asịrị na ya na ejima na-eso okwu. No peacemaker. Abịa na family unu niile, unu na-atọ ka nnu na mmanụ. Unu ka na-eri nri n'ofu efere. Unu na-eri nri n'ofu efere. Apasịala unu nri, unu erie, unu ebieri ọma na unu richa nri. kodaka wele akpaghalị. Ụfọdụ ndị na-ebu this news ha na nwanne ha ofu nna ha eghe ọnụ. Ha na nne ha maọbụ nna ha ahịa eghe ọnụ for over 3 years. Can you tell me asịrị dọ n'ife a kịta? Gwa m asịrị tọrọ ụtọ n'ife a anyị eji wee na-ebugharị ya na-spread gharị ebe niile. Na-spread gharị ebe niile. Then na-ebelu ọkpa mgbe Ebuka Obi. Then na-achọkwa ibe agwa the other one. Can you tell me what is rumor there? What is the rumor there? Ose anywhere a na-agba do personal. Ose anywhere a na-agba do personal. Onye ọbụla na-agba nke n'isi ihe, onwere onye na-agba nke onye ọzọ. There has never been a time a gwara anyị na anyị ekpe anyị ikpe in family. Ọ na ewu nna bịaba maka ikpe. Ọkpọrọ nwa. In fact, for you to even know that na ka esi eme n'ụwa, ka esi eme n'eluigwe. Onweghị ka mmesi wee commit a crime, njebe kọtụ, asị nkele ebe nne m nọ, si nkele ebe nna m nọ, si nkele ebe ụmụnne m nọ. Police anyị emedo ha arrest n'ọbịa. They will arrest me who has committed the crime. So I want to know. No, ọ bụrụ na ebe mgbe Ebuka Obi ọkpa, what does it have to do with Evangelist Ebuka Obi? I am asking you, knowing fully well that salvation is personal. Salvation is personal. Healing is personal. Everything is personal. I may intercede on your behalf, but it is still within your faith. If your faith does not allow what is or whatever thing personal, it is left for God. Yes. So nebelu mmayo ọba na achọkwa ka ebe ya ọzọ. Is it an issue? Is it really an issue? I am asking you. Onye bịa wokoro nne koro nwa koro ụmụnne. I am asking you. Ana m ajụ ajụjụ. Ndị pastors ha zobisiri mpụta edo ụnụ. You keep spreading na Facebook na ndị pastors ha gaba. Ha gaba ha kpọkọrọ security were agagharị. Ọ na-afị ebe niile taa ndị nwa dibịa esokwu mkpọwa security kpọba ndị akpa obi aya hazi anụ ya anywhere na ndị pastor wu convoy taa ndị nwa dibịa esokwu na mkpọwa convoy aya ha anụ ya anywhere na ndị pastors wee go ka ha ji ego private jet were na-ego moto ndị nwa dibịa esokwu na gome moto a na-akpọ machine aya da anụ ya anywhere. They go with the army and the if I do siren name anywhere because that is not your area of interest. You are not interested along that area. Assyria had to go too much. Church, had to go too much. Mind your own business. Face your life. Your own life is falling apart. You have busy to be looking and calculating the life of a man that is 1,000 times better than you. The man that is 1,000 times living his dream life. You have not even yet gotten closer to the dream life it should be. Is that not wasting time on irrelevant things? Evangelist Ebuka Obi 100 ka ọ na-achọ, ọ nọ na 85. Ngonwa wone na-achọ 100, Rubo do na 3. Why can't you focus on yourself? Why can't you think about your life more than you think about his life? Yes. Why can't you think about his life? Obulugodu na mama ye nwe chi niile. Mama ye erigi ife niile o suppose to really from nwa ye. So owuru na nya na chi ye ekwekwata ho. Echi niile it is still personal. Onwere onye ya nwa. My mom nwụrụ about 13 years ago. She did not live with us. I used to her weapon. I cannot drag somebody. That is to show you that the journey of life is personal. But your ignorance will never allow you to know that the journey of life is personal. Because now, in a you are fighting a man that his grace is more superior and more grand patron to your own. You are fighting a man you should be praying to God to help you tap from his grace. You are fighting a man who is living his life, his fulfilled and dreamed life. That is the level or caliber of the man you are fighting. Yeah? You are fighting a man who kings, presidents, and the people around respect. That is the man you are fighting. You obviously you are wiser than those people, and yet your life is the way it is. Your life is just the way it is. Mind your own business. Too much. Asereonu is getting too much. Asereonu is getting out of hand. Asereonu is getting out of hand. And if there is nobody that is going to tell you, let me Ezugo say it so that you will hear it from me. You will hear it from me. You people are prognosing too much into things that are not even your business. Things that doesn't concern you. If you be a winner, a winner, Jem win a matter Ebuka Obi. Jem win a matter Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Jem win a matter Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Every morning, Ebuka Obi this, Ebuka Obi that. To the point that now somebody who is not an ordained reverend father, it's more like a man look at her, but I get awesome. Need you watch a secret marriage. A puputanya na Facebook, be a commissary. Or na Accusations, a secret marriage. A puputanya na Facebook, commissary. What is my business? Is he not supposed to get married? It is his decision to make it a secret or open. If he makes it secret, he doesn't want you to attend. He doesn't want you to make it public. It's not your business. Unless Nando Goye, then that is when we will begin to talk, because that culture and tradition, that before you are supposed to do it. That is the only place we may come out to start talking. Until then, you are sitting down. The problem is worse than. In fact, sometimes na ula inyeme mpotuni ni na Facebook nyesha mpotuni na ula hiti simanante manimine su iye meshia ya la hola. But if you na claim ka ya se no wani na atusha na alu mma. Yeah. Ine claim na act ka ya se no wani na atusha na alu mma. Meanwhile, uwanke ujoro njo. You cry every minute of the day. Why can't you use that time to gossip about Ebuka Obi and his personal family problem? Why can't you use that time to really talk about yourself? I am asking you. Let us be honest here. Let us be honest here. Evangelist Ebuka Obi made secret marriage. Evangelist Ebuka Obi na she became one nwoke nwoku n'ụka. O wee kwụsị. So let us even take it na yana ejima na nwoku. Ha ụmụnne izizi nwere okwu. Ụfọdụ na ria amụcha ọgwụ, kụwasịcha tebụl, kụwasịcha ebe niile. Yes. Ụfọdụ na ria amụcha ọgwụ wụla arụsị tụchie family niile. O sike ike na ịbata na family kịta aha enwela dispute. O sike ike na ịbata na family aha nụ tiki. We grew up na family ebe a na-esikọsị nri ọnụ. Today family one ka na-esikọsị nri ọnụ. In fact, ụmụnne one ka ya babe nwanne ha ejekepụtara nri irie ya n'anya odudo na family one ka ya bata na family jebe nwanne oke nri ke iru enwu irie nri ahụ na. Yes. So ọnwụ na mana even family nke ya adịghị perfect. Kedu ife ị na-eje edere anya na family onye ọzọ? Kedu ife iji achọ ka ị ghọọ peacemaker between Evangelist Ebuka Obi and his twin brother? Did they call you or ha bịa kpesa alụghụ? Nyana ejima na-esegodo okwu ọ gbasa alụghụ? Is it your business? Are you their father? Ọngụ mụrụ ụmụ ejima. Ọngụ nne na nna mụrụ ụmụ ejima. Ewu agbata obi ụmụ ejima. Kedu ife gbasa alụghụ ebe ụmụ ejima ahụ? If not na asịrị wife ya egbu some of you. Asịrị wife ya egbu some of you. Ihe eri anụ nkụta mana iji eze kerie ụmụazị. Ị na-eri ebunu mana ị na-asụ atụrụ. Ị bụrụzi onye ụka, fesizie your business hapụ ndị ụka, ha gwọtọkọ ife ha na-agwọtọkọ. You have seen the light. We want to see that your light shine. You know better now. We want to really see things that will confirm to us that you know better. You cannot know better why you are still dwelling in worse condition into condition before you actually come to know better. What is there to convince us that you actually know better? Nothing. In fact, in some cases, those people in a criticize now they are doing far more better than you. If I should judge from a physical scorecard, I will rate them before you. I will believe whatever thing they believe in more than you. Yes, because now if only believe what it is doing to you is not encouraging at all. So what is there to emulate? From frying pan to fire. From frying pan to fire. If ijele na ariata we fo kutelu no and oche no yekwu niye. Speed Darlington today. If on aria we fo kutelu no ohife niile ki yekwu. Ohife niile ki yekwucha ekwucha. O nwere ụfọdụ ya afụ imechi ọnụ. O nwere ụfọdụ ya afụ imechi ọnụ kudewezie na asịrị na ada anụ ọgụ. Achọzi m ide joke. Ihe eji agha n'ọgụ wee dọkọ the rest of us. Ihe eji agha n'ọgụ wee dọkọ the rest of us. The rest of us. You cannot do that. Enough is enough. In fact, you will more family problem in your hands than you are even alleging. Yes. You have more family problem. Problem in family. It has really a juno. For over 5 years to 6 years, it abandoned your ancestral home because of Fukunoka. Needless than I but I don't know you. It was felu. And then na onion natural Hebrew before the men Lagos Punana home state here. In Eba na where na one day adorama. Peacemaker. Opala. Yeah. Leona the peacemaker opala. This is why I love the white. They don't poke nose into another person's family. They mind their businesses. Only in Nigeria that one's family will be abandon their family problems and talk about other people. You see, which is the truth, my brother. Ezioku kipuga. Mehana say bendocha. Ubolo one ke na fundocha ha na agbakebe fence. Even doche ji ha agba fence because nwere onye in fact he nwere ike ibi nuna and oblo so na bendocha ka ọ na-eme. Ebe mbiri na Shalala before nkwapu. Ebe mbiri na Kamwala South before nkwapu wekwaje Shalala. Ebe ahụ ilituo bata n'ime street ebe mbi. Onweghị unu dị ebe ahụ. Mwandebine. Unwehu even nebo mo because na mo na enwe connection nazo. Kanji we malonye hawo. And they begin know now like every 2 months and before we be malonye hawo. Unwere anybody again in that street because unwonye care imo onye wo. Nobody cares to know what you do. Nobody cares to know whether na ipolo na ibataro. Unwere onye ogbasalo. Inwe problem begi umunne umo we police. They call police respond immediately. If you will everything in your personal bill, if you want to concern Oboda kajifu our fence. Man in Nigeria, we watch us fence you, a buy your hack because now upon neighbor fence yaho hack and never walk an apple nose. Command if any me compound. Never walk an enyo. On my voyage, or you go to one go do the go in nime compound, go with Fifi nime compound, it is none of their business. Unwonye barricade you, I go ya malonyo, opwo, amata emoji wepo. All sasria, we fire back on Nigeria. Gossipers everywhere. Yeah? He does the bobe, manage ije does the boy also. Look at Evangelist Ebuka Obi in a tion on a family. Yeah? Look at his own family in a wojelono. Yeah? Look at family in a wojelono.